This YITAHOME 12,000 BTU mini split system delivers efficient cooling and heating with a 20 inverter design, ideal for spaces up to 750 square feet. Featuring Wi-Fi Alexa control, multiple smart modes, quiet operation, and a complete installation kit, it ensures reliable, energy-saving comfort year-round. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Energy-efficient cooling and heating. The mini split air conditioner is equipped with a high-power compressor and heat pump. Innovative inverter technology ensures optimal performance with 25% energy savings. Covers 750 square feet, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, garages, RVs, basements, commercial applications, guaranteeing reliability and energy efficiency. Number 2. 5 modes. YITAHOME 12,002 mini split air conditioner and heater units offer 5 modes, Wi-Fi enabled and Alexa compatible. Automatic defrosting, self-diagnosis, cleaning, I-feel mode, 24-hour timer, sleep mode, energy-saving mode, health mode. Number 3. Silent performance. The ductless air conditioner operates quietly, creating minimal noise during operation. With noise levels below 41 decibels, you can enjoy a tranquil and undisturbed environment while benefiting from the efficient cooling and heating capabilities of this system. Number 4. All-weather response. The mini split AC/heating system is designed to perform in various environments, including in temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 118 degrees Fahrenheit, providing optimal performance in every season, reaching a maximum airflow distance of 50 feet, creating a 4D air circulation within the room. Number 5. Installation package. This AC mini split system comes with an indoor unit, outdoor unit, multifunctional remote control, and comprehensive installation kit, excluding shut-off valves cover and side protection grille. While the air filter is washable and easy to clean, the installation of this system should be done only by licensed installers. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.